Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another exciting tutorial. Today we will design a fashion logo. So I have already prepared a handmade draft for our main object in the logo. I will drag it into my project file so we can easily trace it. Now decrease the opacity of the dragged image and lock the image by selecting the Object tab and choosing the option Lock Then Selection. Now we will trace the main object using the pen tool without disturbance. Tracing is a bit tricky with this design as we need more attention to detail. Now we're done with tracing all objects of this logo design. It's time to add some colors to our design. You can choose any sharp color for a logo or any other graphic element related to fashion according to the color theory of graphic design. You can select multiple shapes with the same color and then right-click and select Make Compound Path to convert them into a single shape or object, so that you can easily change the colors later rather than selecting each shape separately every time you want to change. Now add the name of your brand. Choose some stylish fonts for the logo text. Adjust the font size and positioning of your text to align it with the traced object. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.